Hello all. In this video, I'm going to give explanation on the report DTC extended data record by record number. So here you have to understand two things, and in this video we'll be covering two subfunctions. One is 0 cross 16 and 0 cross 17. Nowhere these two DTCs relates, but just to covering um, together, it will save time also for you while learning. All right, but make sure these two DTCs are nowhere relate to each other. All right, if the 16 takes more time, then I'll make the 17 in the next separate video. All right, so before that, yes, if you'd like to know more about our course that we have been into, it's a course called Premium Course. You can see what are the contents in that by downloading our mobile application. The same you can access in your PC or your computer, laptop also. All right, so you have few free videos also to watch, and yeah, if you have any queries, you can get back to us. And let's start with this video. So here we are retrieving the DTC by using record number. In the previous video, you may have seen the status mask. So how we are requesting the DTC with status mask. Similarly, you can request the DTC by record number. And also you have to make sure that if the DTC under this record number is existing in your ECU, that is there is any fault existing in the ECU, then only you will get this. Otherwise you will not get, you will just get with positive response, and you will not in the DTC place, and the status of the DTC it will be blank. Okay, so you'll get only these 3 bytes of the data if there is no DTC exist under this record number in your system. All right, it's not like developers developed, although they developed, but there is no fault exist, then you'll get only positive response without any DTC. All right, so before that, what is record number? Record number is kind of a roll number. That's it. How you have a roll number in your college days, like that you'll have record number is kind of roll number. And we have so many record numbers. It depends on the supplier specific and manufacturer specific. They see here, 19 is a service ID, 16 is a subfunction, and 02 is a record number. Here we have, so instead of 02, even we can have 03 or 40 or whatever it is, blah blah blah. All right, so in 02, the developers may have few DTCs, maybe like say 40 DTCs maybe in this particular role. So it may be, again, this group is also have some sense. Maybe these under this particular group, they may have a similar set of DTCs or grouping of DTCs. It depends. All right, so now you want to retrieve particular record number. What are the DTCs exist? For our simplicity, I have used only one DTC. You can imagine only one DTC present under this record number at the time you are requesting. All right, so maybe you have 40 DTCs, but only one DTC is active. It's an active DTC. All right, so as soon you are requesting, and you will get the response saying that 59 is a positive response for the 19, and 16 is the subfunction. 02, it's a record number that what you have requested here. All right, then 1A 2B 3C is a DTC, and 02, I'm sorry, here 02 is a record number that you have requested, but it will not fetch here. I'm so sorry, this is a editing mistake. So this is not a record number, it's a DTC status availability mask. All right, then 2F is a status of DTC, which has 8 bits. So each bits represents, and each bits give information about the status, whether it is active or pending, or it is a failed this operation cycle, or it has a warning indication lamp has been enabled or not, like that. The information can be retrieved using the status of DTC. So this is all about the service ID 16. And yes, we have time. So the another DTC is, another subfunction is 17. In 17, you are requesting the DTC by status mask, but you are using defined memory also. So you have here the 06 is a status mask. All right, so you are requesting with the status mask, and Here the 4A is a memory selection. Similarly, how you have so many record number, like that you have so many memory selection, like 4A or 2B or 5A. So under each you'll have so many DTCs. So it is all grouping, all right. So if you want to fetch the using the memory selection, then you can go for this. If you know the memory selection address, all right, or number. Here you don't use any address in this particular service, so you have memory selection. So here 19 is a service ID, 17 is a sub function, that is the to denote that I'm requesting via memory selection. Then 06 is a DTC status mask. Then here 4A is a memory selection, and for this you will be getting the positive response with the subfunction, with the memory selection, and with the DTC status mask availability, and the DTC what exists within this with the DTC status. That is, we have 8 bits that you already know. So these are all the two sub functions has been covered. So very simple. So far you gone through around 8 to 9 sub functions. So this may be a bit easier for you to understand. If not, please don't hesitate to connect us. Yes, we'll be happy to clarify your doubts if you have any. All right, so we'll get back to you in the next video. And if you're interested or if you're excited to know about our content present in our course, you can, yes, always download our application, or you can also use in the web link, so that you can see what are the contents is available, and you can also watch the free videos. All right, so I'll get back to you in the next video. Until then, bye, take care.